Here's our lovely 2013 Kia Forte. As you can see, it is in wonderful condition. It is priced at a steal. It's actually been knocked down to $7,988. It is a 4-cylinder. Here's the VIN if you want to look. Okay. Power locks, power windows, mirror control, traction control, Bluetooth and sound system control in the steering wheel. Here's your dash. It is a standard. Folding split back seat. Lots of storage room. Have a look around the sides. Lovely tires. If you are interested, we are interested in helping you get into a Kia Forte.